Ramp moves fast, we need partners who do the same. There's usually no doubt that we could build something, but whether we should build something comes down to a few questions. I'm Ryne Carbone. I'm a staff machine learning engineer here at Ramp. So the first question we ask is, what does the momentum and velocity of the vendor look like? So we're making a bet not just on the tool as it is today, but also where it's going. Is the developer experience good? It needs to be flexible enough so that we can mold it to fit our needs. Then we want to ask, is the problem that this tool solves unique to Ramp? If it's something general that other companies are facing, there's probably some solution that works well. Prefect ultimately was just like a better fit out of the box for us. What stuck was speed and clarity. It felt mostly like writing Python code with Prefect decorators. Going from prototype to production didn't really involve much refactoring. And then it also felt pretty fast. Tasks were running in the same machine. There's straightforward concurrency. And so it didn't really get in the way of testing or running workflows. There's two fronts where infrastructure decorators help, and they're both during development. It bridges the gap between development and production. Code's running remotely, and it has permissions and services that are closer to production than just running on your local laptop. The other part here is that it unlocks extra compute or bigger machines than your laptop has. The volume of code that's being written is drastically higher than like even 1 year ago. Pretty much anybody can contribute to our platform, spin up workflows that solve real problems they're facing. We've had more commits in the past 6 months than our whole entire history before that. So especially for non-technical users, they can just go to the UI, one place to write and deploy things, find custom input parameters. They can define their own event triggers or schedules and flow resources. You can retry stuff. Just having that all in one framework makes things a lot easier to interact with. It also really helps with self-onboarding users. So 3 months later, we had 350 deployed Prefect flows. So this is like the biggest unlock for us, especially as we're getting more users. Being opinionated matters, but it should be like the company doing that, right? Or your ML platform team doing that, not the framework. And I think Prefect fits in well with that.